Visionary Broadband goes the extra mile to serve rural communities with reliable, high-speed fiber internet. Visionary is expanding its fiber network across the Rocky Mountain region, and we're coming to your neighborhood next.
Here's what to expect before, during, and after fiber construction as Visionary delivers super speedy fiber internet to your door.
In the weeks leading up to construction, we place door hangers on each property within the building zone where construction is set to begin. These flyers provide more details about the construction process and address frequently asked questions.
Our fiber network is built by utilizing public right-of-way and utility easements. Before we start building, locates will be done to mark any existing utility lines with temporary spray paint and colored flags. Our construction crews will need to access pedestals, poles, and other equipment located on the public easement on a homeowner's property. While we do not need permission to access these areas, we follow all locate laws and will notify you before we begin. If you have any personal underground utilities such as sprinkler lines or propane, we ask that you flag these lines prior to construction. Visionary's fiber deployment involves 3 stages: construction, drops, and installation. Visionary crews and employees will visit your home 2 or 3 times to plan and install the best fiber route possible. We understand this process can be an annoyance, but we are committed to ensuring it is carried out smoothly and precisely to deliver the best product possible. Our crews may run the fiber underground or above ground on nearby power poles. Once construction begins, you'll notice Visionary trucks, contractor vehicles, construction signs, and fiber crews working in your area. During underground construction, our crews will bury fiber lines with manual digging or trenching and boring machines if needed. These machines are crucial for protecting existing cables and maintaining a clean installation process. We will restore any property disruptions once construction wraps up, and you may need to touch up landscaping within the public easement. Aerial construction is less invasive and does not require digging. Our crews utilize nearby power poles to secure fiber cables alongside existing utilities. When construction is finished, fiber splicers will visit locations to test individual fiber strands and fuse them together to ensure a smooth and stable connection.
After we receive your order, our dispatch crews will reach out to schedule your installation. Prior to your installation, contractors and drop crews will visit your property to extend the fiber line from the utility easement directly to your home. On the day of your install, please make sure that someone over the age of 18 is available to allow the technician inside and outside your home. Our technician will guide you through the installation process and assist with placing your router in a location that ensures the best connection possible. When available, our technician will use an existing point of entry to bring the fiber into your home. However, it may be necessary to drill a small hole. A utility box known as an Optical Network Terminal, or ONT, will be installed on the exterior of the home, securing the fiber cables and connecting you to the network.
At the end of your install, the technician will run a speed test to verify your speed and that your connection is running smoothly. And that's it. It's time to enjoy Visionary Fiber. We're happy to chat if you have any questions or concerns.
Visionary is proud to connect rural communities, schools, and businesses with reliable, high-speed fiber internet. We can't wait to bring you internet built for the West.